Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Ringtone volume is low for incoming calls. I would be showing two methods. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Select Face ID and passcode. Enter passcode here. Go down. Here we can see attention aware features. By default, this would be enabled like this. So we need to disable. Tap here and disable attention aware features. This way we would be able to fix that issue. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to sounds. Tap here. Here we can see ringtone and alerts. We can increase ringtone volume here. We can just tap here and swipe to right. That way we can increase ringtone volume. This is a method 2. So these are the two methods to fix ringtone volume is low for incoming calls issue. Okay, so please check it.